Now that we have properties, the next step is to add a tenant and rent it out. Before adding a tenant, let me explain the hierarchy in the Balabet system. The system is structured into sites, buildings, floors, and rooms. Any property level in this hierarchy can host a tenant. However, if a child property like a room is rented, you cannot add a tenant to its parent property, like the floor or building. This prevents double booking. Let's enter the building we created. Then go to the floor. Select the specific room we want to rent and click Add Tenant. Fill in the tenant's first name and last name. For more details, click the More button. You can add their business information, a photo, and an image of their government ID. Click Add Tenant to finish. We are now on the contract page. Contract start date. If it is today, leave it as is. Contract duration, enter the duration in months. Payment frequency. Set how often you collect rent, for example, every 1 month or every 3 months. Then enter the payment amount for each period. If it's monthly, enter 1 month's rent. If it's quarterly, enter the total for 3 months. Click Create to finalize the contract. Once the contract is created, we move to the ledger. Clicking Record will record the money for the next payment period. Before recording the very first payment, a prompt appears. It asks if you want to record past payments. If you say yes, the system records all backdated payments due up to today. If you say no, it starts recording from the current period only. This feature saves you the trouble of manually recording past history. Let's go back to the property catalog. Since the room is now rented, if we try to add a tenant to the main building or floor, the option is disabled. This confirms the hierarchy is working. Now, let's go to the reminder page.